Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I make my breakfast. It's 9:59. Y'all see JT on my screen saver, free JT. I usually get up a little bit earlier, but this morning I didn't. So we're gonna start off with breakfast. So this is what you ideally want to eat for breakfast if you're trying to gain weight. So you're gonna need a banana, oatmeal of your choice, and I like the maple and brown sugar oatmeal. Some granola. I use the almond butter by Nature Valley granola. They also have a protein one, which is really good. With trying to gain weight and feed your muscles, you want to include a lot of protein in your diet. Almond milk, and the almond milk I use is by Silk, and this is optional, but I love it in my oatmeal too. It's organic honey, like 100% organic honey, and I got it from Walmart or either Publix, but you can use any honey, but this is the one I use. So yeah, I'm just gonna make my breakfast and y'all can just watch me. This is how it looks, and I just mix it together. And to me, with the stuff that we're going to be adding, this is more than enough oatmeal for one person. And you don't want to be too full before your workout. So this is how it should look, and this will get you pumped up and ready for your workout, give you energy, and just keep you going throughout the day and have you full until it's time for lunch. And what I like to eat with this, I love these, so I eat these Go-Gurts. But yeah, I just eat it with one of these, and that's my breakfast. And I also drink the Eternal water. You can get this water from Publix, but your goal is to be drink this whole thing by a little bit after lunch or by the end of the day. But you're gonna finish it for your workout. So take it with you to your workout and take it with you on your way to get lunch. So yeah, that's it for what I eat for breakfast. And next we're gonna start workouts. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Cause now you can vlog with your little cute little filters and stuff. Okay. But yeah, this is my little gym outfit from my little Nikes and my Nike hat. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go to the gym. This is me, y'all. It's my body. We're gonna stretch. I'll start off on the treadmill for like 5 minutes. So I started, I put the incline on like 4, and then I put the speed, and like 5. So I'm gonna start running in a minute. So I'm walk for 2 minutes to warm up, and then I'm gonna run for 2 minutes, maybe 3. And when running, you want to do heel first and then toe. So focus on your heel going down first and your toe going down after. So like this. If that makes sense. So we have 5 minutes. And I reduced the speed to 3. Kept the incline the same. And by this time you're gonna need some water. Whew. And I'm gonna just cool down a little bit until I get to 6 minutes. I'm gonna drink my water, and then we're gonna stretch.
safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to do what making you bleed. And that's all that love is trying to waste me, like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. When I don't get it, and I'm saying losing just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. So all I ain't trying to waste it, like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it.
Y'all, my form not perfect, but I'm working on it. So I'm gonna just try it again. It's I feel like it's good.
Safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to do what making you bleed. And that's all that love is trying to waste me, like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it.
At this point, you should be walking like this. And it's already lunchtime. By this time, I would have went to the gym and came back. So it's 1:30, almost 2 o'clock. So this is what I'm gonna eat for lunch today. For today, this is a good meals to do, and it's just yellow rice and chicken, and then I just warm it up and pour some sauce over it. So yeah, and then I'll drink some water with it, and I'll eat the bread. But yeah, I'm watching King Dre Sean reaction to Nicki album. Get it, boo. Yeah. Yeah. I just take my Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A and I just put it on top. I'm gonna eat, y'all, and jam out with just honey mustard.
Oh, no mayo?
No mayo. No mayo.
However you want to do that. I just want it light. What kind of cheese? I mean, you said
No cheese.
What all you want on it?
You do lettuce first.
And what else?
Tomato.
Thank you.
You can take some of it off. It don't have to be that much. Thanks.
Okay, what else, ma'am?
Tomato.
Can you cut it in 3? What else?
Salt and pepper on top of the tomato.
You can cut it in half. No, it's fine. Because I know I'm going to eat half today and half tomorrow. Really?
Banana peppers.
No. Yeah.
Some of that sub sauce that y'all got. Just a little bit. Sub sauce.
Soft sauce?
Yes, ma'am.
Soft sauce. And what else?
And just a little more honey mustard after that. And that'll be all. Thank you.
That's good. I hope. Do I? Yeah, I don't.
And y'all always get salt and pepper on top of y'all tomatoes. It changed the whole thing. Try. Okay, y'all. So this is dinner. So I bring in the water to a boil, which is to a boil. Now I'm gonna add my noodles. And that's not a lot. That's not enough. I'm gonna add the whole thing. Okay, let's see. Supposed to cook this for 11 minutes. So